Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to apply a wood sealer to plywood. So basically you first have to sand off the plywood after your wood treatment. And then you make sure you wear your protective clothing and just pour the sealer bit by bit on the plywood, and then you gently brush uniformly over the plywood. So you make sure it gets into the wood, around the wood, all over the wood, for a better sealing of the wood, a better finish. If you want to do the other part of the wood, the other side of the wood, you turn it over and you basically do the same thing. You pour the wood sealer on the wood and just brush it with a paintbrush uniformly. All right, and there you have it. Your wood is sealed. Now you can dry it in the sun and later apply the wood lacquer for a great finish. Thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.